Heating effects of electric current. A current carrying wire gets hot whenever electric passes through it. This is the heating effect of electric current. The amount of heat produced in the wire depends on the material, thickness, and length of the conductor. If a large amount of electric current passes through the wire may become so hot that it may melt and break. Heating effects of electricity are applied for many household appliances such as electric heaters, toasters, and water heaters. They are also used in bulbs and used as safety devices.
Okay, yes. So mainly heating effects of electric current, you are going to know about conductors and insulators. We know what are conductors. Conductors are the materials or the substances or materials that offer comparatively less opposition or less resistance to electric current to pass through them. They are called conductor. For example, all the metals like copper, iron, and some liquids like water, not distilled water, other than distilled water, all kind of water like tap water, you are adding salty water, they are all able to conduct electricity and they are called conductors. Another group of substance, which offers larger resistance or barrier or opposition to the flow of electric current, they are known as insulators, or also you may call them as poor conductors. Okay, for example, rubber, and you know about wood, sand, you have seen the that is the where in your in your houses all they are having a coating of plastic. Have you seen? Just see
Yes,
every
ma'am.
each and every appliances, when you're having the putting the plug into the see they're wearing, they are covered with the help of some plastic, a kind of plastic. So what are this plastic? These plastics are insulators or poor
Ma'am, these are
conductors of,
insulators.
yes, of electricity. As a result, what will happen? All the electricity will pass through the wire. You are not getting electric shock, or the people will not electric shock, which are who are handling all the electrical wiring of your house. Okay, they are all the electricity is going passing through, but still you are not getting any electric current, electric shock, only because that you are that wire is having a insulation plastic coating. So example, the materials like rubber, like plastic, and sometimes wood and sand, they are regarded as, what are they regarded as?
I'm insulator.
Insulator.
From
Ma'am,
insulator.
insulators.
Okay, is it clear? So some
Yes,
exam now, heating effects. What will happen whenever electricity is flowing? What will happen? That it will make the substance hot. So as electricity flows, it makes the substance hot. Much more will be the opposition, much more will be the resistance, much hotter will be the substance. You have seen you are using heater in at home now. आपके घर में blower है,
Yes,
you are
ma'am.
having heater, this is operating in your home now.
Yes, ma'am.
You can see some coils, they are getting red hot, and in
Yes,
front
ma'am.
of them there is a fan which blowing out the hot air into your room, and you're keeping yourself warm, comparatively warm.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is actually happening from the electrical circuit, that is from the switch you have plugged in, through the plug it has come and got electricity has entered into the
good
instrument, that is
morning, ma'am.
blower or the heater, and there are some coils which are being heated up. These coils are having high resistance. As a result, it gives opposition. Okay, and what happens? It starts to become hot. And sometimes you have heard about fused bulb. घर में बताते हैं ना कि bulb fuse हो गया. What is that meant? That sometimes extra electricity when passes through the filament of the bulb. You know filament, you have read in class 6, filament, which is made up of a material called a metal called tungsten.
Yes,
So this
Yes, ma'am.
filament
Yes,
gets
ma'am.
heated up. Sometimes if it is get heated up more than its melting point, what will happen? It will smelt, and the bulb will
Fuse.
fuse off. Fuse means
Fuse.
becomes open circuit, because the filament टूट रहा है मतलब क्या है? That is the circuit is not maintained in a closed path. So thus the bulb is called a fused bulb. So what is the heating effect? That the current carrying the wire get hotted whenever any kind of electricity is flowing through it, and this is the heating effect of electric current. The amount of heat which is produced, that is depend on the material. Material means the more the resistance, the more the heat will be produced. The less the resistance, the less will be the heat produced. You have seen that our wiring, conceal wiring of your houses, they are having copper wire. Copper wire is having less resistance. वो तो hit नहीं होता है ना, it doesn't get heated up very much. It will get heated up very minor amount, but it will not get heated up in higher amount. So it depends on the material. More the resistance of a material, more the heat will be produced. Less the resistance of the material, less the heat will be produced. So if you want to glow a substance or glow a conductor, what will have? The substance should have a high melting point and high resistance. Okay, that is why it will start to heat up and then it starts to glow like the bulb. Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. It is clear.
So
Yes,
heating
ma'am.
effect of electric current are applied for many household appliances. For example, we have just gone through that heater or the blower, electric toasters also, water heaters, immersion rods. You have seen sometimes
Yes,
you
ma'am.
just have immersion
Yes,
rod in
ma'am.
your house also, you immerse the rod over there. So electricity is coming through the
Yes,
immersion
ma'am.
rod and the coil that is having the gets heated up as electricity flows through it and it makes the water in the bucket warmer. Okay, so these are the examples of that electric heating effect of electric current. Now we are going to move on to the next topic, that is electric bulb and electric fuse. What are fuse? What are electric fuse and what are the, about electric bulb? Do anyone
Yes,
knows
ma'am.
about electric bulb?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes,
it
ma'am.
runs using electricity.
Meters using
So
electricity.
you have seen already electric bulb, and we are now the one more new thing is that it is electric fuse. Yes, Tanya, continue the next part.
Ma'am. Electric bulb and electric fuse. Coils of wire that utilizes the heating effects of electric current are called as elements. These coils can be found in an electric room, heater or electric iron box or any other electric appliance. Two important appliances based on the heating effects of electric current, which are widely used, are the electric bulb and electric fuse. The filament of an electric bulb becomes so hot when an electric current passes through that it starts glowing. Then wires are made of a material that melts on the passage of electric current are called as a fuse. Electrical fuses are used as a safety device that breaks a circuit in times of overloading. They prevent the cause of fire and damage to electric circuits.
Have you ever seen electric fuses in the main circuit? The place
Yes,
where
ma'am.
And there are
electricity
many wires.
the place where the electricity is coming to your home, that very outside, कभी कभी घर के बाहर भी होते हैं, नहीं तो inside your house there is a huge, this is like white color porcelain structure. How it looks, I think some of you have seen, that is called the electrical fuse. It is like this, okay, and in between there is a thin string or made up of copper which is having a very low melting point. You can see this is the electrical fuse. What is it? It is a safety device. Whenever we are just adding the switch to the electrical circuit, our whole household appliances will be supplied with electricity, and when we are taking out the fuse, it will just stop, make the circuit open. Okay, so this is about
Okay,
Okay,
your
ma'am.
ma'am.
electrical fuse that we are using in the house. But nowadays you are using MCB. Anyone of you having MCB
Yes, ma'am.
miniature?
Yes, ma'am.
You're
I
all,
have.
Yes,
yes,
ma'am.
in your home.
Ma'am,
Now this fuse have been replaced by new one, that is MCB, which is what will happen. The MCB switches will become down. They will come down if excessive electricity is passing, or by chance if extra electricity has flown into the electrical wire, this MCB switches will automatically, they will go down, and it will prevent the damage of the articles or the devices that has been attached to the electrical supply. Okay, so these are the usefulness of attaching these fuses. Fuses are mainly, what is the function of fuse? They prevent the cause of fire and damage to the electrical circuit. So whenever any unwanted or extra amount of electricity is coming from outside into your house, this fuse will get melted. The wire you can see in between, if excessive electricity comes, this wire becomes so much heated up, it will start to melt, and as a result no more extra electricity will able to flow into your house. As a result, this fuse will prevent the damage of the electrical appliances and the electrical circuit in your home. So this is the usefulness of using fuse. Electric bulb, I think all of you have done structure of electrical bulb, you have done in class 6. Do you know
Yes.
what
Yes,
is,
ma'am.
what
yes,
does the
ma'am.
component, what are the components of electric bulb? Anyone tell me? Are you able to see?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Try to see, you are able to see. Electric bulb, it is the structure of electric bulb. There are 2 points. One
Yes,
point through which electricity enters and the other point through which electricity goes out. And these 2 points are connected with the filament.
Filament.
These are connected with the filament, and as a result, what will happen when the current enters? It will go through the filament. I told you filament is having a high resistance. It will have the heating effect of electric current. It will start to get heated up and starts to glow. And as a result, the bulb will start to glow. And again, through the coil, it will come through the other terminal and go back. So, what is this? This is the working of the electric bulb. Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
Now
No,
the
ma'am.
next
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
the next effect is the magnetic effect of electric current. What is magnetic effect? So whatever, and it's very important, children, whenever electricity is flown through any substance, it acts like a magnet. It acts like a magnet.
magnet.
That we are going to read
Magnet.
now. What is happening? Suppose I'm giving you, suppose I've taken an iron rod. Okay, I have taken an iron rod. And
Okay.
I've taken a battery. This is the negative terminal and this is the positive terminal. So electricity will flow from positive to negative. So this I have coiled around these iron rod and it is coming and making a closed circuit. Are you able to see the circuit? So
Yes, ma'am.
from the battery electricity will flow. It will flow around the iron strip or iron rod. And what will happen? It will come again and get connected. So what will happen, children? Actually, this iron rod will start to behave like a magnet. It starts to behave like a magnet.
Magnet.
The magnet.
So
The magnet.
if we keep our eye over here, in this position, if we keep our eye, we will see that the current is flowing from this end in a anti-clockwise direction. You can do it. You can take anything. You can take a pen. You can wind any string. इसको coil करो घर में. So you will see, if you see from this side, you will see that the current is going in the anti-clockwise direction. And if you keep your eye in the other end, in the opposite end, you will see that the current is flowing in the clockwise direction. Okay? Is it clear? Am I
Yes, sir.
getting?
Okay, ma'am.
Whenever we are attaching, we are just coiling a iron rod and the two terminals we are attaching with a battery. What will happen? The iron rod will behave like a magnet, temporary magnet. So magnets do have two poles, we know,
Yes,
north pole
ma'am.
and south pole.
Yes,
so how
ma'am.
we are going to identify which pole it is? So the end, from that end, if we see through our eye, if it appears that current is flowing in the anti-clockwise direction, then it will be the north pole. It will be the north pole
The north
of the
pole.
temporary magnet. And if we see from the other end, you will see that the current is flowing in the clockwise direction, and that will be the south
South
pole. If you bring some iron fillings or anything made up of iron, nickel, cobalt, you will see that will be attracted by the iron rod. Thus, you are able to confirm that whenever electricity is flowing through a magnetic material, it makes the magnetic material into temporary magnet. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So this is about magnetic effect of electric current.